Hey yo, what's up with you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. We're gonna make this beautiful head warmer, ribbed head warmer. So, if you wanna learn how to do this, sit tight and let's learn how to make it. I'm using this hook. I don't really know the size of this hook, just like I told you, but you can use from 8 mm to 12 mm. I don't really know, but it's just within the circle. So we are going to be needing our scissors and our measuring tape, and I'm using this acrylic fiber, 100% acrylic fiber. So this is actually golden color, so I'm just going to be using 2 of it. So put it together. So I'm gonna make, okay, just gonna make my slip knots. And when I'm done with that, I'll make a chain that is as long as 14 inches. So I actually made 45 chains, and this is it. So let's measure. We're looking for 14 inches. I'm just going to measure it to make sure we have the main length that we want, which is 14. So right here I have 14 inches, but when stretched 15. So let's go over to the row 1. For this, I'm going to chain 1, making it 46 chains, and in the next space, as in the next chain, not this, in the next one, we're going to make a single crochet, which is this, and in the next a single crochet. So for this row, we're just gonna make single crochet down to the end of the row and just continue. I'll meet you when I get to the end of the row. So now I'm here at the end of the row, and this is what my work looks like. So I have 45 single crochets to the end of the row, so I'm going to chain 1. Then looking at here, we have 2 loops, and this is the front and this is the back. So we're going to be working on the back loop. And one more thing, please try to make your work, try to make it loose so that it will be elastic enough. So, and on this next back loop, we're gonna be adding single crochet. Sorry for my voice, guys. It's actually so cold. I just hope you hear me very well. So I'm just working on the back loops. So you work on the back loop until you get to the end of the roll. Okay, so, and I'll meet you when you get to the end of the roll. So I'm done with the second row, and this is what I have. So let's go over to the next row. You chain 1 as usual, and we're working with the back loop. So for this whole video, this whole work, we are just gonna be working on the back loops, not in the front or in the middle, but back loops. So you work on the back loops until, just with the same pattern, until you get to your desired length. Like, I'm actually looking for 23 inches. So you know the measurement of your head, so yours might be smaller than that. So I just want you to use your measuring tape and wrap around your head. Wrap it round, like around the ear side. Yeah, the neck, the ear side of your head. So just wrap your measuring tape around it and know how many inches you have. It is important. So now guys, I'm done with mine, and I made 68 rows. So I have 68, complete 68 rows. So now I would like you to choose where is the front, where you want to be the front or where you want to be the back. I choose here to be the front, so that's to say here will be the back. So I'm just gonna turn it this way. Then I will just insert. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it this way, and I'm just gonna pull it through from here and make one chain, then turn, and in the next space insert my hook, and then this insert. I'm just gonna attach it together by making a slip stitch. Sorry, just gonna make a slip stitch, and in the third here a slip stitch, fourth and fourth here a slip stitch. So you just make a slip stitch and make sure you are doing it on top of the inside the two. You're doing equal what you want. So here at the end of the row, I will just insert my hook here and here, and I'll make a slip stitch. Now we are almost done. So I will make on the top, I'll make a slip stitch like a chain one, sorry, and cut the end off. Now I will tie this two ends together. I'm just gonna cut it shorter. So now I'm knitting my needle. Just have to insert it in, and then I'll tie the knot. Okay, I don't really need to tie the knot. So since here is the back, we're gonna like insert this from here or just somewhere here. Oh my god, I just want a perfect way. Okay, let me just insert it here, and we are doing it. Okay, let's just do it on the second row. So insert it and pull it out from here. Insert, pull it out from here, just like that. So here we are done, and I have this tail here. We just came back from where we started, so I'll just have to draw the two ends together. Oh my god, I'm sorry about that. So I just have to draw the two ends. So now I'm sure I have it closed up, so just going to cut this shorter, and I will have to tie it strong. Make sure you don't cut it. So, and I'm gonna tie again to make it more tight. Okay, here we are done with the inside. Now if you want, you can just tie again, and you can now cut the end off. So you pull it out from this side. Oh, I think so. You pull it out from this side, and here we have our work ready. So I want to add a pom-pom to it. I have actually made a tutorial about how to make a pom-pom, so this is actually the soft ones. So I would like you to go, I'll drop the link if you want to learn how to make a pom-pom, in case you don't know. So you can just follow the link. I'll drop it in the description box. So I will just have to insert my hook from inside and pull this tail, pull it in. Oh, I lost it, so I'm just gonna put it in from here. So I have this tail, so I'm just gonna insert my hook again from this side and pull the other tail in and put it in. So now I will have to tighten it. So I would like it to, I would just like it to close it up this way in case you want to remove it, so it's gonna be easier for you to just draw this and remove it. So I'll leave the tail. Then this is what we have here. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Tell me what you think in the comment down below. If you have a suggestion, an advice, whatever, just drop it on the comment down below. I would really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.